Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to continue trying to make the contact picker work. I'm going to do it in a completely new project. I think there were some problems with the fact that in my call manager project I'm not using any stateful widgets, and even though I tried to use a stateful widget in the previous video with that example, it wasn't working. So I figure I'm just going to start from scratch and do the complete example in the plugin documentation. So I'm going to make a new Flutter project, Flutter application. We're going to call it contact picker demo. I'm going to save it in Flutter projects. Add a little description. Yep, that looks good. We're going to do this in a new window. I don't really feel like closing my other project. All right, there we are. This is the default app that Flutter opens up for us. So let's get rid of all of this stuff. Interesting. By default, it's extending the home page app part is extending Stateful Widget. So good. That makes things easier for me. Get rid of this and this. Text widgets here. Missing a concrete implementation of state.build. There we go. I'll reformat the, where is it? Reformat. Oh, failed to reformat code. Interesting. I guess it's should just be indented one more. Yeah. All right. Interesting. Maybe I ought to run this and see. Oh, whoops. All right, let me stop this. Looks like I deleted things a little too fast. First thing is I'm going to get rid of these text widgets. Actually, as I do this, I will launch it. Make sure I'm not deleting things that shouldn't be deleting or whatever. Should launch pretty fast, even for a first time run, because there's not much here. Long time to install an APK. Okay, good. Now, gonna change some stuff here. I don't have an instant run. Oh, I guess it's still syncing, that's why. There we go. So we should see the floating action button change. Good. And on pressed, give it a blank method. Good. Now get rid of the comments one by one. We'll move our way up. Get rid of this counter. We need to keep the setState method. Oh. We'll change this to launch contact picker. I understand now. I went too fast. I do have a tendency to go too fast. Yeah. All right. We won't see any visual changes except for over here, because we're setting the title property of the home page, which is in the constructor for the home page. I get it. All right. Contact picker demo. Nice. I'm not gonna mess with theme colors and stuff. I really don't care about that right now. I am just gonna get rid of the, oh, it's not in this. I'm gonna get rid of that debug banner, because that really annoys me whenever I see that. Goodbye. Right, the next thing to do is go to the contact picker. We are going to grab the dependency, head back to the project, open up the pubspec.yaml, drop that in there, packages get. Nice. Back over here, we need to import package. I was kind of just guessing. I was hoping I would remember what it's called. Contact picker. It's weird. Maybe let's get dependencies. Let's do that. Maybe it'll do it for me. Nope. All right, I'll just copy it in. Maybe this was kind of the problem that I was having in the last video, that for some reason it just wasn't seeing even when importing, it's an unused import. Maybe it's just not seeing it. Let me try another packages.get and see. It's not giving me an error. It's only just giving me a warning that I'm not using it yet. All right, well, let's go back to the example. We're creating the state. Oh, let me change the home page. I wonder if it'll let me refactor it. Rename. And its usage is to, actually, why don't I just do this? I forget the keyboard shortcut for refactor. Rename my home page to contact picker demo. Nice. But the state has to be refactored as well. Contact picker demo state. Nice. Okay, now in the state we got to declare the contact picker and a contact. So let's do that there. Now let's see if the okay, the package is not showing as unused now. It's just these things here that are showing as unused. So, and this is on the fab. They do this on the onPressed rather than the update state. Do they have an update state method here? No. Interesting. All right, well, in the fab, the onPressed fab, I'll copy their asynchronous method. Get that in the onPressed. Oh. And, oh, because they have a set state method there. All right, so I don't need this. As long as you're setting a state somewhere in the, when you're in the whatever class that is in whatever class that is extending state, it appears that it's fine. You don't have to explicitly have a set state method up here. All right. Let's see if that does anything. Didn't hot reload work? Might have to do a full restart. There's no message in the terminal that says the hot reload worked. I don't know why the thing is not updating, but nothing's happening. Weird. This contact still showing as unused. Maybe I have to set it to something here. All right, I'll put this this text widget that they have in their example. Maybe that's what I'm missing. There, now contact is showing as being used. So we'll hot reload. Okay, there's our text widget, no contact selected. Nothing's happening. It's really strange. I don't think I've left anything out. It's entirely possible that I've completely overlooked something. We've got the void run app. We've got a class extending stateful widget. Oh, you know what? All right, let's get rid of this. Yeah, we've got a class myApp extending stateless widget. Oh, they don't have anything like that here. The class myApp has to extend stateful widget. All right, you know what? I wonder then if I just completely comment all of that out, and I'm gonna say a new contact picker demo, and then down here, what if I just just change the to contact picker demo. I wonder if this will do it. Whoa. No constructor. The run app is the new contact picker demo. We're creating the state. It's not taking any of these parameters, so why don't I just get rid of that? Right? Extending the stateful widget just has the create state. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna... Nope. Expected a procedure or a structure or a function. I'm giving it a function. This is funky. What if I just completely copied the entire thing here and did that? Try that on for size. Looks like I'm gonna have to do a full restart on that. Makes sense. It's hard to get a picture of how what's happening with the build when you're launching an app for the first time in Flutter. When you're developing an Android application, there's like a Gradle build window that shows you everything that's happening. Here, you're just kind of waiting. All right. Okay. All right. All right. All right, all right, all right. I wonder what the deal is. Why it... All right, now I'm going to try messing with this. I'm going to say... Now it's telling me about the hot reload. That's fun. Okay, contact picker demo. Now what I want to do is, instead of having this material button, I'm going to add to the scaffold a floating action. Whoops. See? A floating. Come on. Floating action button. It's gonna have, oh, whoops. New floating action button. It's gonna have an on pressed of exactly this. Now I can remove the material button. It's going to have icon. Oh, wait a minute. It has to be a child, I think. Yeah. New icon. Icons.contacts. Oh, wow. Okay. Awesome. Woo! That works. Now for the kicks, I want to see how it works when you select a contact. So let me find the contacts application for the emulator. Come on. Come on. Drag upwards. This emulator really doesn't like to behave. All right, let's try searching for it. Click, 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 or not. All right, maybe in the phone app. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Contacts. Nah. Is that it? Okay, saving to device. Okay, I'm trying to type. Nothing's happening here. Okay. First. Right. First name. Last name. With a phone number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no, it thinks that's a 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1. Let's try it. This will be good to have on here as a test anyway for the Call Manager app. Oh, where can I get rid of the debug? Can I do it in there? Would I do it here? Yes. Nice. All right, now I'll pick a contact. There should be our test guy. Yep, first name, last name. Okay, it pulls the first name and the last name and the phone number. That's exactly what I need for my app, for Call Manager. According to the docs for this, because this plugin has an API documentation. I think I remember reading in it that it does only pull the phone number. Yeah, the contact class has a full name, a phone number, and a 2-string. That's it. Well, that's enough for me. It's interesting that this is like the only, I'm pretty sure that this is the only contact picker in the plugins. I know that as of now, Flutter itself doesn't have a contact picker. Yeah, this is the only one. That's incredible. Okay, well, this works. Now, the trick is to get this to show up, translate this to my application. Oops. So I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to slap this over on this side of the screen and slap this over on this side of the screen. And let's see if I can translate what's going on here. Okay. Oh, well, the first thing to do probably would be to get the dependency. Packages get. I'm going to stop the app on that emulator. All right. Now, hop on over to my add new call screen. I guess it needs to have its own void main. I don't know. I wonder what happens if I, well, all right, let me just go step by step here. Target of URI doesn't exist. I literally did the packages get. I don't know what you're talking about. I copied it. That's, let me do packages upgrade. I don't know why that would be different. Truthfully, I don't even know what packages upgrade does. I can assume, but all right, add new call. Nope. I guess I need to do it in this screen. Flutter packages get. It does it with the whole project, though, I would think, not just for this file. Oh, that did it. I'm wrong. All right, now I'm going to grab a void main. Let's try it. Void run main, new, add new call screen. Oh, that works. You know what? I wonder if I run this in the emulator. Nothing should be different. I just want to see if it works. First time run, taking a while. Just taking a look at some statistics for the YouTube channel on my phone. It tells me that I have 1 subscriber. So thank you, whoever that is who subscribed. That's pretty neat. Got a bunch of views on some videos. That's also neat. Pretty cool. I hope it's helpful. Hope the videos are helpful for whoever has been watching. All right, here we go. We've got an app. Now we've got to get to the add call screen. And it's all here and working. That's good. Good sign. All right, now I'm going to grab everything, all the contents of the add new call screen, because I've got to convert this into a stateful widget. So I'm just gonna grab everything. Is that it? Yeah. I'm gonna grab all of this, copy, and get it out. Add new call screen is now going to extend stateful widget, and I'm going to, can't copy anything because clipboard's already in use. I'm going to do add new call screen state, create state, new, add new call screen state, which obviously doesn't exist yet, but it will now. Class add new call screen state extends state of the add new call screen. Cool. Now we're missing the implementation of the state.build, which is fine because I haven't done anything yet. I'm going to paste in all of, whoa, okay. What is happening? All right, I'm going to pull up a text editor, dump this all in there. I thought I had copied everything out well, but just put that in there. And I guess I'll just grab out whatever I need. Override widget build. I'll just do that manually. Oh, right. Next line. Widget build takes a build context. Whoa, that doesn't say build. Takes a build context, call the context, drop it in. Oops. Return new material app. what's ah. There's still a problem there. Expected a getter. Unexpected text. That's for this. Maybe it'll figure itself out once some expected to find it. Oh. Right? Unexpected text. Oh, wait a minute. Has the parentheses, which doesn't have that. Returning a new material app does have it. But that should be it. All right. Let me grab these guys. I don't know what the problem is here. I guess it's because I don't have the, not implementing state.build yet. All right, let me grab my the scaffold with all of this stuff in here. Please don't freak out. How? What? Oh, wait a minute. Return new app. Oh, I didn't say home. Now I can return a new scaffold, right? I guess not. Home property returns new scaffold. All right, let's get back, undo all that. Return new scaffold. What's the problem? Expected an identifier? I don't know. Yeah, the scaffold needs it. No, that scaffold doesn't take that. Maybe it's the return that's a problem. That's it. Okay. I guess it works a little different in the let's just grab new scaffold. Wait a minute, I have the feeling that I didn't do that right. New scaffold. No, that's right. Oh, maybe it's, there it is. That's why I was having a problem before, I guess. Can I please, could you just format yourself, please? Failed to reformat, come on. Scaffold. There it is. Returning the new material app is the one that has that. But there's still a problem. Okay. Just undo. Whoop. I'll just grab it all. Gotta grab it all bit by bit. Let's get the app bar. Slap that over there for easy access. Why is the indentation so bad? I don't understand it, and I don't understand why it won't let me reformat the code. No, that's not what I want. I want it from leading. Better. I don't understand what this problem is, because then, yeah. Maybe if I just have a dummy state method in there. What is your problem? What is your problem? I guess I need a constructor or something. I guess that's the problem. Right? No, we're extending the state. Oh! I'm a moron. I mistyped that. There we go. I miss really obvious things. Now let me try getting this whole thing in here. Yes, now it indents properly. Just make sure. Okay, good, 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 good. That's what the problem was. Okay, now I can get rid of this. Let's bring back up the emulator and make sure it works. Oh, type add new call screen is not a subtype of stateless widget. Well, I don't have anything stateless here because I'm extending the state. I'm doing all this stuff in here. Runtime error. What is that? Funky. What would happen if I just got rid of everything in the body? I'm just going to comment it out. Okay, here we are. So let me uncomment that all, and I will just, body is a new list view. So let's make sure that the list view can appear. There's an error. What's the error? Might have been selected to the wrong thing. Oops. Okay, well, the list view has the new column all the way down till there. That's what the problem was. Right. Okay, good. Hot reload. All right, the list view is there. Uncomment all of that. And now let's make sure that everything, oh, there's all these rows. Let's make sure that that the column can appear that all these rows are inside of. Okay, that worked. So now we'll go row by row. All the way up to the first row. Bam, good. So what was the problem then? Let me try all the rows. What was the problem? Oh, there they are. That's so strange. I don't know what the problem was. Okay, now let's go to the contact button and hook up the contact. So as we see in the other app, so I've already declared these things over in Call Manager. There's that text. Well, let me just grab this onPressed method. And here we are for the On pressed for the contact button. Pull up the hot reload. Let's see what happens. Okay. Nothing. Oh! Oh my gosh, it's here. What? What the? Okay, they're canceled by a second request. I guess I clicked too fast on the button. Because that's why there was 2 instances of the contact picker open. That's a weird bug. I should probably let the developer know about that if I can reproduce it. So we're relaunching. Why does the emulator thinks it's 6 o'clock at night when really it's 2 o'clock? But okay. I'm on the East Coast of the United States. For anybody who was wondering, who probably nobody was, but that's cool. Okay, click once. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. That really was the thing. Making the classes stateful in the add new call screen. Click it, but we didn't do anything with it. So here, now we're back. Okay. Now we can get rid of this old project here. Oh, so I guess it's already saved. So goodbye. Thank you so much for your help. Let's get this back over here. We can open the project window again. Alrighty. So now I want to set the text of the text field. Can I do it? I might be a little bit too ambitious for this video, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So I'm setting the contact. I guess I can set in the text field. Where's my first text field? Here. I wonder if I can set the text. What properties does it have? Maybe the controller. It's probably the controller. Now, if I remember correctly, and I probably do, but I also probably don't. Well, I've got too many things open on this computer. Chrome is losing things in RAM. What was I just... right, text. Is it input controller or editing controller? Text editing controller, I imagine. Well, set text of text field. Maybe this will more directly bring up what I want. Let's check our first result. It is a controller, text editing controller. I'm going to have to initialize the state of the controller and then just set the controller to be the controller. This is exactly what I wanted. Very good. Maybe I'll set this for next time. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it here. I know what I gotta do, and we'll pick it up next time. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. I'll see you in the next one.